I guess the big problem we have nowadays is really the misperception, especially in host countries, about migration, because they think that all migrants are the same. They are legal migrants, they are coming after jobs and so on. While they forget, for example, that my neighbor next door is married to a non-UK migrant. Two doors down the road, there is an international student who's only here for a year. But all migrants are treated in the same way. But once you actually speak to people and ask them, do you treat those three types of migrants the same? They say no. International students know they're gonna come and leave. Well, my next door neighbor, she's very sweet, she's not a migrant. And then you find that really sometimes the media is exaggerating migration and the threats and exaggerating also the misconceptions.